Welcome back, YouTubers. We're back with another video. Today we're working on an 04 Ford Explorer. We are doing the upper ball joints. A couple things here. I disconnected the ABS line. This little clip on top, right here. So disconnect it from there. The next step will be 21 mil. One here, one there. I ended up taking all these shields off here. Just took these off to get in there. Pop those out. Loosen that. There's gonna be an 18. Loosen that and bang it with a hammer. I use the big hammer, the 9-pounder. The bigger the hammer it is, it's gonna be easier. Bang it till this pops open. If you want to use a pry bar, use a pry bar to pop it open. And the way to put it back, we tried the jack, but the jack actually lifts the whole frame up. So we're gonna got a ratchet strap. So I kind of got it started. So, whoa. There's a lot of tension on it. It's kind of.
You gotta use the third arm to hold the nut.
Yeah. Fucking bitch.
That's a lot of tension.
It is a lot of tension. Yeah. Try lifting it up a little more. So we're gonna go with the jack a little. One more. That's it.
Enough to get the hammer. Put the hammer on the side.
There's the hammer. Oh, this way.
There you go. Almost ratchet it down. There you go. Keep going. I got it.
Yeah.
Cool. Was it 18?
18, yeah.
It's the same as the
So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. So make sure if you do this job, get a ratchet strap, and it is super tight. So get it started, and then you're looking for the swivel.
wobble is right there. Hit that wobble.
Yeah. There, get it. That's it, right? Whoa, bro. Straight. We're gonna strip it.
Yeah, straight.
That's it, guys. So that's how you do it, and hopefully the video helped you guys out. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Crank it.